One thing you'll notice at Electra Mining Africa 2024 are the loyal exhibitors we see each and every year. And we're sitting here with Rion from Pinnacle Welding and Safety, who's been coming to Electra Mining for years. What makes Electra Mining Africa such an important exhibition for you?
It's a major event for us. It's a major tool for us to get our brand name out there. And it's just the quality of visitors that comes through.
Yeah.
And what makes it so special for us is that we can, when they come with their new things and new demands in the market, that we can pick up on that and develop the product and make sure that the market gets what they need.
So developing products and so on and so forth, what exactly is it that you guys do?
So Pinnacle Welding and Safety is actually a company with three different areas.
Yeah.
We've got a welding area or a welding section, which is not just welding machines but consumables. Okay. We locally manufacture our own welding rods in Joburg, which we sell probably about 300 tons of every single month. And then welding wire, consumables, like I said, for the torches. Yeah. Then we've got a PPE division, which ranges from head protection, workwear, foot protection, hand protection. So it's a comprehensive range of PPE products for the mining sector. And then we've recently, about a year ago, we've launched our own power division, which is generators from a small 6.5 kVA generator for domestic use all the way up to a 250 kVA for the industrial market and for the mining sector.
Anything in particular that you are highlighting or showcasing at this year's show?
Yeah, definitely our generators. We're very proud to launch that and to have that on this specific expo. So the guys can go and visit them. They're situated outside by the outside stands, and our professional staff will be happy to help them. And then with our PPE, we're constantly increasing the quality. So we offer a very good quality at a competitive price. So the guys, if they buy it, they'll get obviously quality for the price that they pay.
As we've seen in this industry, technology, innovation, products are changing all the time. Have you seen a trend in your product lines as well?
Yeah, definitely. We've also got on showcase our new laser welders. That's new technology, a new trend that's going around in the market. Obviously a bit expensive, so it's not for everybody, but there's a huge demand for it, and so we've got that on showcase. And then constantly with our normal welding machines, that's also constantly changing. So people, they go for double pulse machines, which makes welding more efficiently and better, and that sort of stuff. So we're keeping up with the trends.
Yeah. So far at this year's show, any success stories, any major breakthroughs that have happened for you so far?
We've received a lot of leads up until now, especially with our generators. I spoke to the guys this morning with the stand there. They've received a lot of leads. We've received a lot of leads here, so I can't wait to see what potential there will be in sales.